Alright, so we're going to look at a question now under exponential functions. Given f of x is equal to negative 1 over 4 to the power x plus 4. The question says write down an equation of the asymptote of f. Now f of x is equal to negative 1 over 4x plus 4. Now it's very important to note the value of a, the value of b, the exponent x, the constant term. Okay, and then obviously p, all right, because there's a plus, a unseen value there, plus 0 for the p value. So our a value is negative, b is 1 over 4, p is 0, and then q is 4. Remember, when we have to write down the equation of the asymptote of f, y is equal to, now y is equal to q. What is q? The value of q here is actually positive 4, so y is equal to 4 is our equation of the asymptote of f. All right, okay. Exponential function, we have only one asymptote, that is horizontal, and this is a horizontal line equation. Y is equal to 4. Number 2, determine the coordinates of the y-intercept of f. Now y-intercept, when the y-intercept, we let what? We let x be equal to 0. Then remember, f of x stands for y. So f of 0 is equal to negative 1 over 4. Remember the bracket, right? The negative is outside the bracket, plus 4. Remember, the exponent is only applied to the fraction 1 over 4 and not the sign negative. So therefore, that means our even exponent will be applied to the 1 over 4. And obviously, any base raised to the power 0, if it is not 0, is actually equal to 1. And then that negative is still there. So negative 1 plus 4, that gives us minus 1 plus 4, which is 3. So what did they say? They want the coordinates. So therefore, the coordinates of the y-intercept are actually when x was 0, which we substituted. So we write our 0 first, which is the x coordinate, followed by the y coordinate. Remember, we write our semicolon, which is 3. And that is our coordinate. So very important that when they want the coordinates of the y-intercept, we first make sure we let x be equal to 0, because on the y-axis, x is actually equal to 0. That's our y-intercept. So therefore, f0 is equal to negative 1 over 4 to the power 0 plus 4. We get negative 1 plus 4, which is 4 minus 1, which is 3. So the coordinates are 0 and 3. The next question says, determine the coordinates of the x-intercept of f. Remember, for x-intercept, we let what? We let y be equal to 0. So for our function, remember, y is actually f of x. So y is f of x, which we need to then make 0.